C. Surendran Presentation. First week on A. Indian Economy. KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. National income. The foreigner is to have a share in your domestic economy. Topics covered. Definition of national income. Factor affecting national income. Application of national income. Limitations of national income. Definition. National income is the best value of a country's final output of all new goods and services produced in 1 year. Concepts of national income. Gross domestic product GDP, gross national product GNP, net national product NNP, national income or factor cost ENI, personal income PI, disposable income DI, and per capita income. Gross domestic product GDP. Gross domestic product is the money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a year. GDP is equal to P into Q, where P is equal to price of goods and service, Q is equal to quantity of goods and service, includes goods and service plus government expense plus private domestic investment in capital goods plus export and import. Gross national product GNP. Total market value of all final goods and services produced annually in a country plus net factor income from abroad. GNP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Includes goods and service, government expense plus private domestic investment in capital goods plus export and imports plus net factor income from abroad. Net national product derived by subtracting depreciation allowance from GNP. NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. National income at factor cost. Sum of all incomes earned by resources suppliers for their contribution of land, labor, capital and organization. NI is equal to NNP plus subsidies minus interest. Other terms. Personal income PI. Personal income is the total money income received by individuals and households of a country from all possible sources before direct tax. PI is equal to NI minus corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profits, social security contribution plus transfer payments. Disposable income DI. The income left after the payment of direct tax from principal income is called disposable income. Disposable income means actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals from families. DI is equal to PI minus direct tax. Per capita income PCI. Per capita income of a country is derived by dividing the national income of the country by the total population of a country. Thus, PCI is equal to total national income by total national population. Thank you.